Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain dollar app review to see if it's worth using. So in this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth app review about this app, which is dollar. So to get started with the breakdown and the in-depth review about this mobile app. The dollar app offers essential mobile banking features like account transfer, bills payment, mobile check deposit, and Zelle for person-to-person payment. It also includes biometric login, loan management, and ATM branch locator. Customers appreciate its secure setup and the convenience of handling most daily banking needs directly from the app, especially for a regional bank. However, the app has a below average user rating due to a frequent glitches, confusing navigation, and unreliable mobile check deposit. Many users also report crashes and poor customer support when technical issues arise. And here's an overall conclusion about this platform. So the app worth it if you are already a dollar bank customers and need a basic mobile access, but not ideal if you expect a published or polished high performing app experience, especially from the mobile app version. And that's it.